everybody, this is Tay Ho company for another apartment visit. So I would like to start this visit by showing you the first room, who is providing with a television, big bed, 2 places. There are also 2 windows, 1 private bathroom just right here. If we take the corridor. Hi everybody, this is Tay Ho company for another apartment visit. So I would like to start this visit by showing you the entrance door, which is directly connected to the kitchen of this apartment. As you can see, it's a great one with many furnitures which are providing with it. On the right side, the living room with a giant sofa and a television. The light is coming inside very easily because of 2 big windows. A table where you can sit on it and start to read whatever you want. There is a balcony with a table, very comfortable. West Lake. So let's go one more time inside. I'll show you the corridor. With the first bathroom. The first room with a big bed, 2 places. The second room with a big bed, 2 places too, and also television. Do not forget that this apartment is providing with air conditioning, ventilation and Wi-Fi connection as well. And the private bathroom.